If you want to start monetizing your Facebook account by creating content and have some dashboard with lots of insights, you might want to consider turning your Facebook profile into professional mode. Previously, I have a longer video for this, but I just want to keep it short so they can come straight to here and see how you can turn on professional mode for your Facebook account. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let me show you how you can turn on professional mode for your Facebook account. Let's go. Alright, let me show you where to find the option to turn on professional mode at the phone. So I'm using an Apple phone and the menu is all at the bottom for Apple phone. If it's Android, it's all at the top. Okay, so first of all, click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Again, for Android, it's top right. Then click on yourself. This is my name. Open up your profile. Click on the three dots. Scroll down. You can see here, turn on professional mode. Click on it. Read accordingly. Anyone can follow you, get paid for your content, and see content insights. Well, quite cool. You don't get paid, right? Turn on. Welcome to professional mode. You can explore whatever that has happened. Just click next. Define your audience if you want to. Click next. So my default audience I want to set public, which is suggested. Obviously you want people to see your content. Click next. Confirm. So these are all the eligible monetization tools. You can just check it out if you want to. Click next. Click next. Okay, if I want to use frame, I don't want to, click skip. Go to professional dashboard and there you can see your professional dashboard. Okay, so how do you know whether you have changed to professional dashboard? So let me just close this and let me just open up my app again. Alright, let's go back. There, you can see here. There's a professional dashboard here, create reel and advertise. So you can see that it's different from what you see just now. So yeah, so that's how easily you can turn on your professional mode. If you want to turn it off, I have another video for that. If you like what I share, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips.